Hey, I want to take you on a walkthrough of one of our most popular models, the Hideaway Bunkie. This particular model is our 160 square foot version, but we also have a 199 square foot version. And as an option, we can also make this one taller with a loft. So follow me and I'd like to show you all the features and benefits of this awesome model. So the first thing I'll point out is the hardware. So this is a standard lever door, comes with a lock and a key. It's really high quality hardware, made in the USA. And there's also double glazed windows. And you also notice the window grills or the crosses. They are optional. They come with every single kit, but they're really easy to unscrew if you want a more modern window look. Another thing to point out while we're outside, the windows come pre-equipped with screens, so that's ready to go, and the whole window's just gonna slide in and basically be ready to go. You'll just add the handle. Same with the doors as well. So these are custom-made wooden doors. Everything's made out of premium J-grade spruce and weather-stripped, argon-filled window inserts, so they're quite good for thermal efficiency. And as you follow me inside the building, we've got a nice spacious area. This is big enough for a queen bed or even 2 queen beds, as well as in this particular bunkie we've added on a little option, which is our partition pack. So we've added on this little kind of extra little room. This could be a good storage closet, or even, depending on your situation, maybe a little washroom of some sort. We actually have a Murphy bed installed here. This is by Embed. Really great product because it works as a desk, so it's great for doing work on, and then a very easy slide out bed with the lower profile hybrid mattress from the Haven Sleep Co. So super huge fan of this particular product here. And as you can see, it doesn't take up a lot of space when it's folded up, and it works amazing for sleeping, but then also for working. And it's like I could do this with a finger. It's so easy to put in that. So that's a little side quest there. But the bunkie itself, back to that, it features the 2 larger profile windows on the front face, as well as this side set. So other standard windows, they come with screens pre-installed, weather stripping, double glazed windows, and really high quality hardware. Now we're in the Hideaway, the 160 square foot version. However, we also have a 199 square foot version for municipalities that you can go up to 200 square feet, or for people who don't mind getting a permit. So check out those versions. And we also more recently have come out with a version of this particular bunkie where there is additional height and you can add a loft. So yeah, all those options are available at bunkielife.com if you want to find out more about the different customizations and options within the Hideaway Bunkie series. The kit itself is premium 2x6 J-grade spruce, as well as the floorboards, and the deck boards are all included. Another thing I want to point out is the really heavy beams. So our stuff is engineered for northern Canadian snow loads. So you notice the beams are quite beefy. And the whole kit comes together in a pre-cut fashion. So everything's pre-cut, everything's pre-notched for you. You're basically assembling the kit like you would Lincoln Logs or even like a Lego set. So if you want to find more about the Hideaway Bunkie and how it might add more value and space to your property, send me an email, david@bunkielife.com, or you can check out more on our website at bunkielife.com. We really look forward to serving you and helping you create extra space for more meaningful connection.